Hi Jivers, happy Monday. I'm back with another episode of Clarification, and this time I'm asking for your help. So everybody knows that Jivers know the best GeneX possible, good-natured ass kickers if you hadn't already heard the term. And here in the Products Org, we definitely are looking for more great people to join us. There's so much work going on, so much good stuff, and we need to add a couple key players to the team, and I'm looking to Jivers to help me. So first, I'm looking for someone to run operations. This is really somebody who knows how to execute, someone who can run key programs for us around all three product lines, Jive-N, Jive-X, and Jive-W, someone who can help be a voice in the community. Anyone want us to tackle some of those ideas that our customers have been submitting and to really have a dialogue with them around what we've done? In fact, we've actually delivered on many of those ideas and we just need to close the loop on communication. Somebody who will also spend time in brew space. Same thing, managing internal ideas submitted, but also just helping Koshino overall with the product space. We're getting a ton of questions. Products has become kind of a default landing spot for whatever question you might have around our product. And so how do we really make brew space work better for us so that we can help Jivers get answers more quickly? And it also includes helping me to create content to help continue to communicate with Jivers so that you guys all know everything that you need to know as soon as we can make that information available. So this is everything from new product releases or end of life or the process we have around release planning. How do we continue to make sure that we're communicating as well with Jivers while we're in the midst of all this change and great new product launching as ever before? Second role that I'm looking for help for is an SEO or search engine optimization expert. And this is really a unique role for Jive, right? So this will be a new role for us focused on Jive-X communities. And there's really three components we're looking for here. The first is someone who can actually be an expert and influence product direction around SEO. What are the changes we should make? How do we continue to improve our product so that Jive-X communities are the best ones around SEO? The second is to spend time both pre-sales and post-sales to help tell that story. How do you spend time with the sales team or with Bob Block's team in implementation to understand what changed in your search rankings and why is that and what Jive is continuing to do to make your community the best one out there? And then the third area is that there's a lot of thought leadership and collateral that's required in order to tell that story. So how do we get Jive's story out there? How do we create materials? How do we help market our strength and our capabilities around SEO? And then the third role, of course, is I'm still looking for somebody to come help me run the Jive-W portfolio. And that means not just Jive Daily, Jive Chime, soon to be Jive People, but also the entire modern architecture amongst which our future cloud technologies can be based on. And this includes our shared Jive-W identity service that powers Daily Chime and People today and can be open to additional apps in the future, as well as maybe our ecosystem. Some exciting things for our leader there to think about. And also the actual architecture itself, running in AWS, multi-tenant, the capabilities that actually power today 3 apps, but over time could be much more. There's so much around the space. What I'm really looking for here is somebody who's energized, someone who's experienced around growth. How do you take something that's like Jive Chime or Jive Daily, the seeds of something very powerful, and help to make it addicting and engaging? You have to know how to instrument. You have to understand re-engagement models. People who have experience around consumer technologies that have been built up around engagement and addiction would be a fantastic type of candidate. But it also has to be somebody who knows how to work within Jive and how to help scale these products within a company that has, if you will, a wealth of riches around customers that are supportive of us, a press base and a population that already understands what we do, and how do we continue to build the strength of this new portfolio in the context of who we are as Jive and all of our strength around internal communities. And then as we scale, how does this whole portfolio around Jive-W come together with the power we have in Jive-N to really be our fresh point of view on modern internal employee collaborations. So I'm just teeing up all the great things that this leader will work on, but really a key role for us, it's our high growth portfolio. We really need to continue the momentum we've got, and I'm looking to all of you drivers out there to hopefully help me find great candidates for these 3 roles. We needed them yesterday, so please feel free to ping me directly if you have anybody you'd like to recommend for these roles, or Gracia Huntington, who leads global recruiting for Jive. She's looking at these for us as well. Super, super important. So with that, hope everybody has a great week. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.